Gives us some hope right there. All right, it is Monday. We are always taking a look at your finances, making sure that you are well up on the stocks, especially on Monday mornings. Joining us now, we have CEO and President of Great Lakes Credit Union. We have David Seeger up with us this morning. Good morning. Nice to see you.
Same here.
All right, always a pleasure. I love starting off the work week just like this. So what do we have as far as the stocks are concerned?
Okay, right now the pre-markets for the Dow was down 30, S&P is down 4.50, and NASDAQ is down 5.29, all taking the lead from Europe, which all the indices are down in Europe right now. Big concern, earnings in the United States. It is estimated that corporate earnings for this last quarter will be down 2.9%. Now, what does that have to do with stocks? Well, think of it this way. It's kind of a big circle. Number one, you have earnings, and corporations pay dividends on their stocks based upon earnings. Earnings are lower, the dividends will be lower, so the valuation of that particular stock is not as great because the dividend is smaller, which will have a tendency to push the prices down for stocks.
Now, you said only 2.9%.
Yes.
So that's not too bad.
Not too bad, but when we're looking at stocks, that's enough to cause some concern.
All right, and what do you think we'll see later on in today?
You might see more of this, what it looks like. I think it's going to be a little bit choppy this week. And inflation will indicate it would probably be under control this week. That's one of the indices that are coming out. But when it comes to earnings, next 2 weeks can be kind of critical to see how it's all going to shake out. If it's as bad as this, we might see some correction in the market. How much to be determined.
All right, and I just want to go ahead and give kind of a sneak peek of what we might see in the 6:30 half hour. We're looking at managing a certain debt.
Right, tips for managing medical debt.
And which many people have.
That's right. You'll be surprised to see some of the errors and some of the bills that you get for medical services. So we'll have to see on that.
So you really need to make sure that you're looking at the entire bill, looking at every little thing. All right. Well, then we're going to have a lot more coming up in our 6:30 half hour.